Everyone, let's have some fun. Let's do some science. What we need today is a bit of salt, glass, egg. I have put some decorations on my egg so you could see it better because it's white, and a spoon and some water. Let's pour a bit of water into the glass. Now, let's add 6 spoons of salt into the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's mix the water with salt. Now we are going to add a bit more water, slowly, so that the glass is not full, not quite. And now let's see what happens if I put this egg into the glass of water with salt. Can you see where the egg is? It's at the top of the glass. It's not sinking. Have fun at home.